So hello everyone, this is Jobair Mahmud. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial about how you can implement system.io funnel tracking with your Google Tag Manager, how you can implement your Google Tag Manager with system.io funnel so that you can easily implement your marketing analytics pixel using Google Tag Manager. Recently, I have done a successful tracking project with the system.io funnel tracking with Google Tag Manager. So this video is how I have implemented the tracking with the system.io funnel with the help of Google Tag Manager. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, you have to go into the system.io backend. This is the backend look. Then you have to go into top navigation banner and there is option site and sales funnel. From there is lots of landing page. So click your landing page, and after the landing page go to the edit page section, click the edit page, and whenever it's reloading there will be a top left corner setting option. Scroll down a little bit, you will see there is two option: edit header code and edit footer code. Past tracking is set up by client, so I will just remove that past tracking and click the top right corner save button. There is two option: edit header code and the edit footer code. Click the edit header code first, and there place your GTM base code, this the head section code, and replace it with your code, and there will be a save option will appear in the X section. Just save it. After you saving that, your landing page is connected with GTM. Then you have to go back on the previous page and connect with your other pages with your Google Tag Manager base code. I have two pages, so I have to click the landing page, thank you page. Click the edit page option from the thank you page, and there top left corner there is a setting option. Scroll down little bit and there will be another option, tracking. So replace the past tracking. This is the edit section, and you have to replace your GTM base code over there. There is, I have added a data layer code. Whenever the event is happen, this event will be fired. I have just replaced the code and there will be save. You have to save it, and now your GTM code is added with your landing page and your thank you page. You have to save everything and just exit that page. After successfully added Google Tag Manager with the all the landing page, I will tested my landing page is connected with Google Tag Manager or not. That's why I have to paste our landing page URL over here and test landing page. It's will reload and you see a green check mark is showing. That means our Google Tag Manager added successfully. After that, I have to preview my I have to set up all the tracking. My GTM is already added, so I can add tracking. So I need to preview everything. Is our GTM is connected properly or not? So if I do a preview, see tag assistant is connected, and I can see successfully the tag assistant is showing that window loaded, dom ready, all the GTM thing. So it's showing like our GTM is connected. So my tracking, I need to test everything. I have to add my first name and my email and click the CTA button so that check my tracking is working or not. I am landing in thank you page. You can see my GTM tag assistant still connected. That means my GTM is connected. After submitting the lead information, you can check there is a data layer and event is lead, and my GTM is firing a Facebook pixel event that is lead. So my client goal was the track the lead successfully. So you can check the lead event is firing successfully. So if you want system.io tracking with your Google Tag Manager, you can message me so that I can help you to set up tracking, server side tracking for your business as well. So this is how you can have a connection with your system.io funnel with your Google Tag Manager, and within your Google Tag Manager you can implement your Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics 4 tracking, and Google Ad conversion tracking, and many more conversion tracking as you wanted to set it up in Google Tag Manager. So if you like this video, do subscribe subscribe my channel, and if you want to get more informative video like this, please follow this page. Thank you.